Hi guys, welcome to the show because I'm gonna show you to the playground. Then this is Winter. I gonna love him because this is my back show. That's my sister. My sister over here because I'm watering. Because I want to water. I want to do drink. I got too slow. I want to playground. It's because it's too big for me. I'm too young because my favorite is that's my favorite that's my favorite. Hanapin ako yung pool kasi gusto ko pool. Hanapin ko and kasi gusto ko sumintira and kasi kawawa ng baby kasi ng kuya kasi kawawa kasi magsaslide na lang ako kasi gusto ko yung laruin. Tapos 1, 2, 3 go. Tapos si Papa gusto din sa Papa si Mama yan. Tapos magsaslide ako. Next naman Mama. Saan si Papa? Wala. Kasi sabi ng Mama dyan eh. Kasi 1, 2, 3 go! 1, 2, 3 go! Tapos tinawa. Ayan, kuhan ko yan doon. Tapos tatapon ko yan. Tapos love ko yan. Ko yan ang love. Kasi tatapon ko yan. Kasi I don't like Barbie. Because it's so angry. Because I'm going to buy cars. Because I'm buying car anime. Because I want car B for 1, 2, 3 go. I'm gonna play some balls. I'm gonna throw it because I'm trying gun so I'm gonna find nahulog na ako, mayak ako. Tapos sa slide ako. Ayan na center. Andiyan ako sa taas. Tapos nag-jump ako. Tapos nag-ano ako. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye!